Okay, we have our veggies going, our aromatics going here, and the next step is we're going to add those pearl onions. So look at this. Celery's a little wilted. Onions are translucent. And you'll see there all those little yummies from the bottom, almost all of them that we're going to be glazed later, so don't worry about that. Add that, and we want to go ahead and put our pearl onions in that we've blanched and peeled. So just go ahead and toss those in. Real important, that part about blanching these, because it takes a little while for these guys to cook through. And then just go ahead and move those into the mirepoix. And they're partially softened already. He's going to impart a lot of flavor right down into the bottom of the pan. You see all the colors here, which is awesome. The white and the orange and green. So we want to do 2 to 3 minutes on these.